Hi everyone, my name is Melissa and I am our Assistant Director of Admissions here at the Nick School. And today in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on applying to graduate school in general. Because as you are thinking about this process, there are a lot of things to consider. And when you are thinking about graduate school, I think one of the more important things to consider is why you're going and what do you want to get out of this experience. And really spending some time thinking about what is your hope for after graduation and how will a graduate program get you to those goals, and what kind of experiences do you want to have. And I can say from personal experience, I did grad school twice. The first time I did it the hard way, the second time I did it the less hard way. And by virtue of being on this site and doing this research and watching this video, you are already doing it the less hard way. So that is fantastic. Spend some time talking to people who do the kinds of work that you want to do and find out how they got there. So that's where faculty mentors and peers or other professionals that you happen to know, connecting with alumni of various programs that you're considering can be a really great asset, and understanding the different choices and perspectives and experiences that they made and have and how they have helped them get to where they are now. And then you can think about what that could look like for you on your journey as you consider your graduate school options. I wish that someone had told me about the huge array and variety of degrees that were available. And I especially wish that someone had told me about professional master's degrees, like the ones that we offer at the Nicholas School in environmental management and forestry. I think really being able to distinguish between applying knowledge in practice, and taking what you're learning through coursework and immediately putting it into practice with real life scenarios, client-based master's projects. That was something that was more in line with what I was looking for, and that I eventually found the second time through graduate school, when I later went back. In terms of timing, graduate school will always be here. I thought I had to go immediately after undergrad, and in some ways that was what I needed. But when I went back later to do a professional degree in counseling, that was fine. I had worked a little bit, I'd gotten experienced, I figured out what that degree was going to do for me. And then I was ultimately able to find a program that fit really well into my career development and my personal development as well. And so you are going to make great decisions. You are going to get the support that you ask for and that you seek. And we are here to help you figure out whether or not we're the right fit for you on this journey. Because that's really the heart of the work that we do as admissions folks, is helping you figure out, is this the right fit for you? And is this going to be a place where you will be able to thrive, not only in the classroom, but out of the classroom and beyond as an alum? And being able to think about, is this not only the program that you want to join, but is this the community that you want to be a part of? And, certainly here at the Nick School, you're not just joining us for the 2 years that you're in our program, you're a Nick School community member for life. And we're really proud of that. And we're really excited for what that could mean for you on your journey. So good luck on your search process. And remember that we are here to help. Thank you.